Okay, today we're going to look at how to get better friends according to Wikihow. This article is written by Wikihow staff, which means that there's many people that's contributed to it. Last time we looked at method one, recognizing unhealthy friendships. Today we're going to look at method two, searching for new friends. Step number one, make a list of potential friends you want to spend time with. Write down a list of people who you've enjoyed being around and who have had good interactions with that could possibly be your friend. Look for people that you see regularly at school or work with who you could ask to hang out. Once you make your list, reach out to the individuals on your list to see if they want to do something together. For example, you may write down someone who sits next to you in a class or someone who spots you at the gym. Number two, ask people you admire if they want to spend time together. Look for people who have qualities that you also want to have and reach out to them. See if they want to get coffee, study together, get to know you more. When you hang out, ask questions about the other person so that you can get to know them more and see if they would make a good friend. For example, you could say, "Hey, John, we have biology together. Would you like to get together to study on Friday?" When you're hanging out with them, you could ask questions like, what do you like to do in your free time, or what's the last movie you saw that you loved? Number three, search for friends with similar interests so you have something to talk about. Look for groups or clubs for things that interest you and attend their meetings to meet the people involved. Reach out to the people there and ask questions to learn more about them. If you seem to get along and you feel comfortable around them, see if they want to exchange phone numbers or hang out outside of the group. Try new things that you're interested in since you can meet friends and develop a new hobby. Tip, you can also use meetup apps and websites such as Bumble or Meetup to find special interest groups in your community. Number four, be open to friends of all ages. Once you're outside of school, it's less likely that you'll find and meet people who are exactly your age to hang out with. Hang out with people that are younger and older than you to see if you click well with them and can become friends. If you become friends with people older than you, they can help mentor and guide you. If you have friends slightly younger than you, then you can do the same thing for them. Don't try to force a friendship with someone younger or older than you. Let things develop naturally instead. Number five, surround yourself with people who have genuine interest and respect for you. Your friends should be curious about you and treat you well at all times. Pay attention to how often the people you're reaching out to ask you personal questions and how they talk to you. If they seem genuinely interested in learning more about you, they may be a good friend for the future. If the new people you're spending time with don't respect or ask questions about you, they may not want to start a friendship. Number six, have deeper conversations to see if they open up to you. As you start hanging out with someone, start asking more personal questions about them, such as what their goals are or what's going on in their life. Open up to them about the same topics and see if they carry on the conversation to get to know more about you. For example, you may ask, what's your favorite memory from when you were young, or what job did you want when you were growing up? Talking about your values, struggles, and goals to help start a meaningful conversation and become more than acquaintances. For example, you could ask, what goals do you have for 5 years from now? So, this is the method two for developing how to get better friends in your life. I'll put method three in the next video.